Welcome to channel Ngetrip Santuy Bali. Please follow dan subscribe channel ini. Bantu like, komen, dan share ya semua. Terima kasih.
Hello. Yeah. Where you from?
France.
Mana?
France.
France.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Messi.
Merci.
And then Sava.
Sama.
Ah, ano Sava?
Bonjour. It's hello.
Hello.
Bonjour.
Yeah. And then ano? Asante.
Enchanté. Yes.
Asante. Jitay. You know Jitay?
What?
Jitay.
Marang ako po.
Jitay. Like.
Ah, je l'ai oublié.
Jitay. Oh my god. Because I learning 8 people French.
From here?
Yeah, thank you. I know. Oh, Baba. Oh, Baba. I know. Okay. How long is stay?
1 week.
1 week.
Yeah.
Only 1 week.
Yeah.
Oh my god, very soft. Oh,
I need to work.
oh you work. Alright. Enjoy holiday and go to work. Alright. Only 3 people?
Yes.
All friends.
Yeah.
Alright. All friends. Where you work?
No, I live in Vietnam.
What country?
Where I live?
Yeah, in Bali.
Bali. Yeah.
Wow. This your house?
What?
This your villa?
No.
No. Oh, you go to the good place.
Basket.
Oh, Basket. Basket that is so hard. Are you friend?
I don't know.
Oh my god. Maybe we can go ahead. It's so fun.
You know better than me.
Yeah, maybe make fast. Because the map is turn right.
Yeah.
And then now the second. Alright. So, I love with people practice in Bali. No, a lot of people practice David in Bali.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Friends. You know Mbappe?
Yeah.
Ah, I like Mbappe. The nice one. Mbappe.
Like football.
Yeah. And then I like Mbappe. Wait, very good. Yeah, Instagram. Have Instagram.
What?
Instagram.
Yeah.
Have. And then YouTube. Have.
What?
YouTube.
Yes.
Oh.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah. And then blog.
Yeah.
Okay. But it's red, it's beautiful, it's really. It's red. Really. Red.
Yeah, what?
It's red or it's really? It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Really.
Yeah.
Oh, really. The spelling is really. 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 In French, beautiful. Really.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh. Restaurant. In Bali? When are you already happy?
In just in the but
Just Uluwatu?
yeah.
Uluwatu Enable?
Yes.
Only two?
Yes.
Oh my
Then we
god.
go to Bundu.
Already?
We
Bundu?
are going to Bundu.
Bundu?
Yeah.
Oh, Bundu. Next time.
Yeah.
Bundu.
Then Shadur.
Satu. Oh, you go to Satu. And then?
Then we are going to
Oh,
take one night in Masa.
then Pasa? Yeah?
Then we make
Alright. Then Uluwatu, you see the monkey?
you see what?
In Uluwatu, see the monkey?
Yeah.
Very angry.
Yeah. That's scary.
Dangerous. Oh my god. Monkey angry.
Yeah. Scary.
Oh my god. I don't like monkey.
No, I got that. What's your favorite place, Bali?
Mali, maybe get some money. You put some money. It's very nice sunrise.
Okay.
Yeah, sunrise. Go there.
Okay.
Get some money.
Okay.
Maybe, yeah. In Ubud, to Harbor.
Okay.
Very far. So far. But it's very nice view. Hit Sabah. Cái taman ấy have hot spring. Hot spring. Yeah. The name is the Vatican. It's very good.
And what's your favorite food here?
Food. In Bali, barbecue. It's local food. Maybe you can try barbecue. It's a pig. You like pig?
Yeah.
Very nice. The local barbecue. But it's spicy. You like spicy? No. Spicy. Okay, alright.
You can eat that.
Oh yeah.
Very spicy.
Oh yeah. Local international. Not spicy. You like spicy, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. And then if you go to Kuta Bali, I working in Kuta. This my second job,
Okay.
and I first job in Japanese food.
Like family stuff?
No, I family is yeah.
Okay.
Near but not this waterfall near my house. I on in my home and then you order. Maybe we can go fast in the right. But psychotic with I don't fit it. Where your friend?
I don't know. They're coming.
Alright. We drop here. No.
Yeah.
and then say goodbye for my channel. Hey, Kobik, you can find my channel, yeah? Yeah, okay, so. Okay, may I go ahead?
What's your YouTube channel?
You can find? Oh, yeah. Sana? Sit.
The same. Okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Jangan lupa follow dan subscribe ya. See you next video.